Today we're gonna do
cordon bleu.
and actually Valentin is gonna show you how to do it. Hello French food lovers, I'm Chef Jérôme.
Hello, I'm Chef Valentin.
And in this channel we'll show you how to do
Easy French style cooking.
Yes. $100 grams of flour, 1 egg whipped, 100 grams of breadcrumb, 2 chicken breasts, 2 slices of ham, 50 grams of cheese, first, butterfly the chicken breast and open it. Slice the cheese in small slices. Place the ham in the chicken. Then the cheese. And fold it back in place. First, dip your chicken in flour. Remove the excess by tapping it gently. Dip it in the egg. Then, put it in breadcrumbs. Make sure that every step is done completely, keeping the stuffing in. Then, cook it in a pan with oil and a little butter for coloration. Make sure your pan is not too hot to cook the inside and not burn the crust. There is another way to do it. You can flatten your chicken by placing it in plastic wrap or parchment paper and then hammering it down with a pot or a pan. Then you can put the ham and the cheese in. Then you will roll it using the plastic wrap. Then roll more, holding the edges of your plastic wrap. Let it cool in the fridge for half an hour. Then bread it like the other one. Flour, egg, and then breadcrumbs. Make sure it's covered all the way. This one needs to be deep fried at around 160 degrees. You don't want to cook it too hot to make sure that the inside is cooked. Cook it until it has a nice golden crust. Okay, let's try it. We're gonna eat the small pieces first.
Wow. Okay, I'm gonna eat this small piece.
Okay. Mmm. Lots of cheese, huh?
Yep.
Mmm. Good, huh? Wow. Okay, guys, we have to go. We have to eat the rest. Bye bye.
Bye.